we're asked to calculate how much of a specific solution we'll need to obtain a set amount of sulfuric acid. Our targeted amount is 0.030 moles of our acid. Now we know that 0.11 moles is equivalent to a liter. Of this solution is equivalent to 0.11 moles of our solute. In this case, we know we have to use this version of the conversion factor so that we get rid of or cancel out units of moles. So 0.11 moles is equivalent to a liter of solution. So now we have the liters of solution. We can convert to milliliters, knowing that a liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. We do our math. We come out with 272.727 milliliters. Let's look at sig figs. 2 sig figs, also 2 sig figs. This is exact, so it's not going to limit the sig figs. So we want to report this answer with 2 sig figs. To do so, we're going to have to use scientific notation. .7 times 10 to the second milliliters. And this next problem, we're also looking for a targeted amount of our solute. That's our target. That's where we are trying to get. We're trying to get to 15 grams of sodium chloride. Our concentration is given in molarity, moles per liter, so we're going to have to convert grams to moles. We need to determine the formula weight of sodium chloride, which I've already done, and that is 58.44 grams per mole. So 58.44 grams is equivalent to a mole of sodium chloride. Now we know how many moles of sodium chloride we are targeting. Can use our molarity as a conversion factor because it tells us 0.75 moles is equivalent to a liter of solution. And that cancels out units of moles. Lastly, we need to convert to milliliters. It's asked for the answer in milliliters. So remember that a liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, we do all of this math. We end up with 342.231 milliliters. Now sig figs. Look at all the numbers that go into our result. 2 sig figs. This has 4. This has 2. This is exact. So it's not going to affect our sig figs. Looks like we're limited to 2 sig figs. And again, we'll have to express our answer in scientific notation to correctly express our answer with the appropriate number of sig figs. And we're done.